A California court has reinstated operations at one of the state's largest immigration detention centers, weeks after reports surfaced of Immigration and Customs Enforcement, ICE, seeking to establish new facilities within the state. This action unfolds against the backdrop of the Biden administration's ongoing struggle to manage the detention of immigrants, a situation complicated by California's status as a sanctuary state, aiming to limit cooperation. The Adelanto ICE Processing Center, capable of housing 1,940 individuals, had significantly reduced its detainee population to a mere 2 individuals following a 2020 court order, issued in response to a COVID-19 outbreak and allegations of substandard conditions within the facility. This order, temporarily lifted last Friday pending a March hearing, was initially prompted by concerns regarding the health and safety of detainees. The ruling represents a significant shift, potentially allowing the center to resume full operational capacity, accommodating a substantial increase in detainees. This decision comes despite the ongoing controversy surrounding the facility, which has faced repeated allegations of abuse, neglect, and inadequate care for its residents. The facility's operator, Geo Group, a private prison corporation, has been the subject of intense scrutiny, with Congress members actively campaigning for its closure. Representative Judy Chu, along with 20 other members of Congress, sent a letter to the then Homeland Security Secretary in September, explicitly demanding the facility's immediate shutdown. Their concerns echoed widespread criticisms regarding the treatment of detainees at privately run detention centers. The continued use of private facilities, like Adelanto, to house immigrant detainees remains a point of contention, raising ethical and humanitarian concerns. ICE currently detains over 39,000 individuals across approximately 110 facilities nationwide. These detainees typically include individuals who entered the country without proper documentation, asylum seekers actively contesting their deportation, and individuals facing CRA. California's sanctuary state law, enacted during the Trump administration, aims to impede federal deportation efforts by restricting police cooperation with ICE. This law restricts police from questioning individuals about their citizenship status, detaining foreign-born residents solely based on immigration status, and transferring certain inmates to immigration authorities. Despite this legislation, ICE maintains 6 detention facilities within CA. These include Mesa Verde, Golden State Annex, Adelanto, and Desert View Annex, all operated by Geo Group, the Imperial Regional Detention Facility, operated by Management and Training Corporation, and Ade Mesa, operated by Core Civic. These facilities have faced consistent and substantial accusations of medical negligence, abusive and retaliatory conduct toward detainees, widespread sexual harassment, deficient food and water quality. Geo Group and Core Civic, the 2 largest private prison companies in the immigration detention sector, collectively generated over $1.5 billion from ICE contracts in 2022, underscoring the significant financial incentives driving the continued use of private facilities. President Biden's campaign pledge to eliminate privately run detention centers for both criminal and immigration detainees remains largely unfulfilled. While his administration has phased out the use of private federal prisons for criminal detainees, ICE continues its reliance on a network of for-profit prisons and county jails. Internal documents reviewed previously revealed that ICE has actively pursued expanding its detention capacity in various locations, including New Jersey, even under the current administration. This suggests a continuing divergence between the administration's stated goals and its actual practices in managing immigration detention. The Prison Rape Elimination Act of 2003, aimed at eradicating sexual abuse in correctional facilities, highlights the persistent struggle to ensure the safety and well-being of detainees. Though the Department of Homeland Security, DHS, formalized regulations to implement this act within immigrant detention centers in 2014, allegations of sexual abuse continue to surface, emphasizing the ongoing need for stricter oversight and enforcement of existing laws. The continued operation of Adelanto, amidst these persistent allegations and the broader concerns surrounding the private prison industry's role in immigration detention, raises serious questions about the government's commitment to humane and ethical treatment of detained immigrants. The gravity of these allegations underscores the need for enhanced transparency, accountability, and rigorous oversight of all immigration detention facilities. The ongoing legal battles and political debates surrounding Adelanto serve as a microcosm of the larger national discussion on immigration enforcement, human rights, and the appropriate role of private entities within the criminal justice system. The implications extend far beyond a single facility, impacting the lives of thousands of individuals and shaping the national conversation on immigration policy. Resources and support are available for anyone affected. RAIN offers support at 800 to 656 to 4673. In the UK, Rape Crisis provides support at 0808 522 22. In Australia, 1800 Respect 1800 737 732 offers assistance. Additional international helplines can be found at ibiblio.org/rcip/internal. HTML.